Hey guys, today, let's learn how to add an admin to our Facebook page using the AMeta Business Suite. So if you guys will like to go ahead and add an admin over on your AMeta Business Suite to your Facebook page using the AMeta Business Suite, all we need to do this is still launch the AMeta Business Suite first. So once we're already on our AMeta Business Suite, what I want you is to proceed with locating is the Page Roles tab. The Page Roles tab is gonna be located on here on. So let's tap on More first, then let's tab on Settings, and then go on over on this option to edit the page rolled. Now you will see all of the people that you have currently unrolled as an admin over here. You could easily tab on Add a person to this page. And of course, first we need to enter our password to this Facebook account to proceed. And once that is done, then proceed with adding the person, and then selecting the role of an admin to successfully add them as an admin using the AMeta Business Suite. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you from watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.